Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of white flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix them all together in a large bowl. The trick here is to ensure everything is well combined, so you don't end up with pockets of flour or cocoa. You'll know it's ready when the mixture looks uniform, like a light brown powder. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 90 milliliters of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 cup of water. Stir these together until they're well mixed. The vinegar might seem like an odd addition, but it helps the cake rise by reacting with the baking soda. You'll know it's mixed well when the oil is no longer sitting on top. Next, it's time to bring the dry and wet ingredients together. Pour the wet mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir them together until you have a smooth batter. Be careful not to overmix. You want to stop as soon as there are no lumps. The batter should be thick but pourable, like a smooth chocolate sauce. Before we cook, let's prepare the rice cooker. Grease the inside of the rice cooker bowl with a bit of oil or butter. This step is crucial to prevent the cake from sticking. Make sure to cover the entire surface, including the sides. You'll know it's well greased when it has a shiny, even coating. Now, pour the batter into the greased rice cooker bowl. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl so you get every last bit of batter. Once it's all in, give the bowl a gentle shake to level the batter. This helps the cake cook evenly. Set your rice cooker to the slow cook or regular setting and let it cook for about 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. If it comes out with batter, give it a few more minutes and check again. The cake should have a firm top and a rich chocolate aroma. Once the cake is cooked, let it cool in the rice cooker bowl for about 15 minutes. This cooling period helps the cake set and makes it easier to remove. You'll know it's ready to take out when the sides start to pull away slightly from the bowl. To remove the cake, invert it onto a plate. You might need to gently run a knife around the edge to help it release. Once it's out, you'll see a beautiful, even cake with a smooth surface. If it doesn't come out easily, let it cool a bit longer and try again. Finally, you can sprinkle the cake with powdered sugar or add your favorite frosting if you like. This step is optional, but it adds a nice finishing touch. The cake is delicious on its own, but a little extra sweetness never hurts. Enjoy your homemade rice cooker cake. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.